Hi guys, this is our YouTube channel. This is everybody's channel, moreover. And today I come up with the recipe of Punjabi style gobi aloo sabji. Today mom is feeling like she is tired and she told me to make something for the dinner. So I prefer to make, cauliflower and potato sabji. So this is aloo gobi sabji in Punjabi style, and for this I have made certain preparations also. So this is two large onion I have taken. I have taken three tomato puree and two green chilies small. Out of that we will have a quick saute. So for this I have put coriander seeds. Along with that I have put cumin seeds in the oil taken in the pan. So quickly I will add onion, two large onion into it. With a quick saute, I think the oil has not come to its boiling point, so let it come to its boiling point and then it will pop it into the onions. This dish is quite favorite of every one of us. Some people like, some people may not like, but this can be made in many styles and many ways. So the more the ways recipe has, the more it will be tastier. So you can make gobi manchurian out of that, you can make aloo gobi sabji out of that, you can make gobi pakoras out of that. So there are various variants for the same, so that you never get bored of it. So God has given the quality to every living and non-living thing like this, so that you don't get bored of each other. So you may try various variants of the same. So oil is popping up. With a quick saute, it will take time to get it saute, because now it is at this stage. We have just put it into the oil and it will take time to saute. We have to make them like golden brown. If you are making it for the dinner, make sure that the dinner must be light. You have to serve it with chapatis and a little bit of 1 or 2 onion slice. Also added half a teaspoon of salt at this stage, so that we might cook them faster. Foreign students or the people living in solitude, they must ensure that in order to make quick recipes, they must cut the onions whenever they will find convenient time to cut them, and then store them in a airtight container. So that it may not absorb toxins from the surrounding. And for the tomato puree, they will also do the same. They can store the tomato puree and add a little bit of vinegar into it and close the lid of the container, and you can store it for the future use, and thereby you can make your aloo gobi sabji. And this is very full of nutrients, a lot of nutrients. It controls BP, it controls diabetes, so it has a lot of qualities. Cauliflower has a lot of qualities. I have also added sabji masala at this stage. I have added Ramdev Patanjali sabji masala. You can add any sabji masala at this stage, because this is more of a dry sabji, so that is why we have to put masalas, and it will taste good with that. And Indian spices are, very well, they are the best at their taste. Now they have become light golden brown, and now this is the time to add tomato puree. At this stage, we will add a pinch of degi mirch or Kashmiri mirch and more amount of turmeric powder than the degi mirch that we have taken, because it must be yellowish in color. Guys, you can see I have put half or less than half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder, and then saute it again so that we might cook tomatoes faster. Now merge them together with a quick saute. Since this is a winter season, so I have also added a garam masala to it and mix it thoroughly. You can't see it. I have already added. Guys, it is up to you the amount that you want to take, the ratio in which you want to take the potatoes and gobi. It is about your likings. If you want to see more gobi into it, you can add more gobi and less potatoes, and if you want to eat more potatoes in it than gobi, you can add more potatoes, or you can increase the ratio of potatoes to gobi. So this is the theme. Now guys, basically our saute is ready, and you can see it is going to be pop up and oil oozes out of the side of the container, and it is appropriate time to add the mix of vegetables. First of all, add gobi, and then you can add potatoes, or you can add it randomly or vice versa. So let's shake it and mix it thoroughly with the tadka. So let me shake. Wow, it looks so sumptuous at this point of time. The tadka looks so good, and when it will mix with the vegetables thoroughly, it tastes so good. Let me mix and then I'll show you thoroughly. Guys, you can see I have mixed all the ingredients thoroughly, and so that they can mix together and will give a tasteful recipe out of itself. And now let's cook the recipe properly, and then I'll show you the final stage when it is ready to be served. Guys, our dish is ready, so serve it with the chapatis along with the mint chutney. It looks so delicious, and it is also delicious to eat. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.